Autorités, Mesdames, Messieurs, bonjour. Good morning, and thank you for being here today on this special, happy occasion. CERN was born in 1954 on the initiative of 12 founding countries. From the ashes of war emerged a common project dedicated to particle study. The nuclear bombs dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki had shown the world the destructive power that could be unleashed from matter. Yet, those funding countries, which later became 23, decided to join forces here in Geneva to pursue a higher purpose, to push knowledge beyond the boundaries of the known and to strive for common progress. Since then, CERN has become a reference point for cutting-edge research and advanced technologies worldwide. Science in the service of humanity. An example of excellence in which a group of researchers looks far back, investigating even the origins of our world, while simultaneously looking far ahead, applying new discoveries to improve our lives on this planet, including direct applications in various fields such as medicine. 70 years after the foundation of CERN, with war once again afflicting Europe, I find it significant that we are here with the same purpose for which it was founded, to promote science and research for the benefit of all. Today, celebrating the Science Gateway, a bridge, like Renzo Piano explained to us, that connects CERN to the world. A place where the world discovers CERN. Here, humanity collaborates to solve, with ingenuity and intelligence, some of the greatest challenges of our time. This was the spirit of the founding members back in 1954. And it is also the essence of my personal commitment, my family's commitment, and Stellantis' commitment in supporting the Science Gateway. Stellantis is a young company created less than 3 years ago, but with deep roots dating back to the 19th century. It has ambitious goals for the future, to build tomorrow's inclusive and sustainable mobility. Our main strength is our diversity, just like at CERN, where practically all the world's languages are spoken, and where researchers from different places, cultures, and beliefs work together for a common purpose. Too often, nature, its laws, and its native language of physics seem daunting and distant to young students, and not only. Yet, investigating the structure of matter and experimenting firsthand with its mechanisms can be truly fascinating, exciting, and very engaging. This is why, in conjunction with today's inauguration, the Agnelli Foundation has launched a project called HOP, Hands-on Physics, in collaboration with CERN and the Italian Institute of Nuclear Physics. This project will provide Italian middle school classes with the opportunity to conduct physics experiments in class. The goal is to bring more students closer to STEM, stimulating their curiosity and opening up satisfying career prospects. Working in the world of scientific research and technology offers great opportunities, as evidenced by the extraordinary career of Fabiola Gianotti, who I thank for her dedication to this project and for the example she sets every day for young students and researchers around the world. Grazie, Fabiola. In addition to Fabiola, I would like to thank Renzo Piano and all his équipe, the institutions represented here, all the donors, and everyone who contributed to this project. But also all of you, the people of CERN, who today are celebrating a very important day. Thank you. I would like to conclude with a thought for someone not with us today, but who would certainly have appreciated its significance. Sergio Marchionne, to whom this auditorium is dedicated. Not long after he left us, now 5 years ago, we began to think of a fitting way to honor him, one that reflected his values and beliefs. Those who knew him well remember his love for physics, his curiosity, his constant desire to learn and deepen his knowledge. Sergio believed above all in the young, and he urged them to be courageous and not to settle into easy routines. He encouraged them to look at reality from unusual angles, delve into problems, and seek out unexplored paths. This is precisely what is happening every day at CERN, where thousands of researchers investigate the first principles of our world and seek answers to its fundamental questions, to the benefit of society. Because reasoning based on the scientific method is first and foremost an exercise of freedom, tenacity, and humility. Asking why phenomena originate, making hypotheses, verifying their validity, and if the test fails, proposing new explanations. This is a way of thinking and living based on restless curiosity, a trait that was strong in Sergio's makeup. It means training ourselves to exercise our critical thinking and independence of thought, rejecting unfounded theses and being open to questions and debate. My hope, our hope, is that this same spirit can now be shared by all people, especially the younger generation, who, thanks to the CERN Science Gateway, will be able to approach science, fueling their own curiosity, and actively participate in building our future, to pursue the greater good in the name of science, and most of all, with the purpose of peace. Thank you.